Welcome to Doba tutorial. In a previous video, we have introduced you to the product details page. You may find these buttons on the page. Add to inventory list, list to store, download, and add to cart. What are they? Why are they there? Well, let's talk about the 4 buttons in this video. First, let's see the 3 white buttons. List to store button. You may list this product to your connected stores on such platforms as Shopify, eBay, BigCommerce, and Wix. Other platforms will be supported in the near future. Different plan subscribers may list a different quantity of products to their stores. Startup plan subscribers may list up to 500 SPUs. Business, 2000 SPUs. Enterprise plan, unlimited. If you are on a startup plan, and you've already listed 500 SPUs to your store, you have to delete some SPUs to make room for the new ones you want to list. We'll explain how to list products in another video. Download button. Download the data of this SPU, all SKUs will be included. Different plan subscribers may download different quantities of products. Startup plan subscribers may download up to 500 SPUs. Business, 2000 SPUs. Enterprise plan, unlimited. We'll explain how to download SPUs in another video, as well. Add to cart button. Add the current product to your cart, for later order placement. We'll explain how to place orders in another video, as well. Last but not least, let's talk about the green button, add to inventory list. After checking the various aspects of this product, if you find it interesting, you may click this button to add it to your inventory list. You may come back to the list to view and manage these products at any time. Different plan subscribers may add a different quantity of products to their inventory lists. Startup plan subscribers may add up to 10,000 products. Business, 100,000 SPUs. Enterprise plan, unlimited. These are quite a lot. But if you are on a startup plan, and you've already added 10,000 SPUs to your list, you have to delete some products to make room for the new ones you want to add. Anyway, when you find this product interesting, just click this button. Then you may find this window pops up. While you may click skip to bypass the tags adding process, we strongly recommend you not to do this. Because tags are very useful for managing your products, in many ways. So, select a current tag or add a new one, and click confirm to finish. Then you will see add to inventory list successfully. You'll find this button on the search products page as well. On the search result page, you will find it at the end of any product card when you hover your mouse cursor over the product. Just click it to add the current product to your inventory list. Or select multiple products. And click the Add to Inventory List button on the top, to add them all at once. Then, you may click View an Inventory List to find it in your inventory list. That's all for today, thank you for watching. If you like this tutorial video, please subscribe for more.